Hey guys, Liv here. Today we're going to be making cucumber salad. This is my take on the viral TikTok cucumber salad. It's a little different. It's not as Asian based, but it's more of a creamy style dressing. So let's just jump right on into it. So first thing you're going to do is start off with your cucumbers washed. And I just bought these baby cucumbers because I like the way they taste better. And these you do not have to peel the skin on. So I'm just gonna slice them pretty thin. Now there is a second way you can cut these cucumbers, and that's this way. I did this off of camera. I personally like the other way better though, although this would hold some nice sauces. So you put it like this in between two spoons and you cut down until you hit the wooden spoon. Then you turn it and then you cut in between. And then you get this sort of spiral like cucumber. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut our purple onion, red onion, whatever you wanna call it. So I'm gonna slice these also pretty thin, but in this direction. And I'm slicing them so thin, number one, because you don't want them overpowered, but also because we're gonna pickle these, but we're gonna pickle them in a faster manner than normally it would take, but it's still gonna have all the same flavor. Now you're gonna go ahead and boil about a half a cup of water. If you wanna pickle a bigger quantity of onions, double this recipe. 2 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar. And then about a tablespoon of a half of granulated sugar. And then you're gonna go ahead and transfer this and your onions into a Tupperware bowl with a sealed lid and put it in your fridge for about 15 to 30 minutes. Also, make sure you shake it around in the Tupperware container before you put it in the fridge. This way, the vinegar and everything gets into the onion. Now we're gonna go ahead while the onions are pickling in the fridge, and we're gonna make the dressing for a salad. So you're gonna take 2 tablespoons of mayo. You're gonna take 1 tablespoon of white distilled vinegar and 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. Right in with that. A tablespoon of lemon juice. And you're gonna begin mixing that. So I'm just adding about half a tablespoon more of mayo. And then I'm gonna continue stirring, but with a fork. More like whipping. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. This is also gonna start to thicken it a little bit. Then I have a half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and about a full teaspoon of dill weed. And you're gonna mix that together. And then once it gets to about this consistency, you're good. Again, you can make it a little thicker if you want it. Just add more mayo. This dressing is to be to your liking. This is just my liking. Now you're gonna go ahead and take some of your pickled onions. And you're gonna add it with your cucumber. And then you're gonna go ahead and start adding some of your dressing. And we're gonna go ahead and just drizzle a little bit more over these cucumbers. Salt and pepper to taste. Honestly, you can add tomatoes to this if you wanted, and it would probably taste amazing as well. But that is my cucumber salad. So we're gonna go ahead and taste it. Super good, super light for summer or anytime. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you next time.